Prep them and prep them according to the recipe calls for. When to do it? How to do it? Do you mise en place?
Mise en what?
I'm sure you know what mise en place is. Mise en place is a French term that means to put in place. In other words, gathering and prepping all the ingredients that you're gonna cook, as well as all the tools and equipments you're gonna need to cook them. Why to do it? Because it's the key for success in the kitchen. Having a more organized and clean cooking space will help you to execute a recipe in a more efficient way. Try to keep them close to you, like all your ingredients, as well as your tools and equipment. And try to organize them more or less in an order that you're gonna need them. How do you know the order you're gonna need them? By reading the recipe first. When to do it? Every time you cook, whenever is possible. Try to create that habit. How to do it? It's very simple. First, read the recipe. Grab all the ingredients and prep them according to what the recipe calls for. Diced, minced, chopped, peeled. Have your tools close to you like spatulas, whisk, whatever you're gonna need, spoons. Very important, tasting spoon. A lot of people don't use tasting spoon while they're cooking. And let me tell you guys, I shouldn't even say this, but just in case, double dipping is not cool. Please don't stir your pot, taste it and put it back, okay? That's really not cool. But you can use your stirring spoon with something in your tasting spoon, taste it, and then you keep going with your recipe. Mise en place can consist of just few ingredients for one recipe, or for the whole week, like vegetables. Vegetables can take a long time to prepare. Gathering few things done in advance will help you to fix a meal faster with less stress. So right after I come from the grocery shopping, I like to wash, dry, cut all my veggies into florets or into sticks, dice them any shape that you want. Like cabbage, shred them. You can use a food processor for this, or you can use your knife. I like to keep them in glass containers like this because it's easy for you to see through what is in there. But plastic containers are also fine. You can close with a lid, but I like to leave one corner open so they can breathe and they don't get mushy. A label is always nice, so you put the date that you prepped them and you know how long they have been in the refrigerator. Veggies like cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, prepared like this, prepped like this, they can last 7 to 10 days in the fridge. That's a long time, right? Mushroom, I like to keep them whole. So with a damp towel, paper towel, you can just clean the debris and the dirt from the outer and just keep them like this. Bell peppers, they have a lot of water content. So same thing, when you close the lid, keep one corner open and you can cut them in different shapes and sizes, and they are good also for snacks during the day. Kale and lettuce, leaf greens in general, I wash, I dry, I chop them, and they're good to go also for like 4 to 5 days in the refrigerator. the peppers as well. Herbs can be a little bit tricky, so this is what I do. I wash them, again, dry, and with a damp paper towel, I keep them in a plastic bag. I also write on the outside what it is, the day that I prep, and I keep them just like this. You can keep it even open, the plastic bag. You don't need same thing so they don't get mushy. Other things, here we have butternut squash, spaghetti squash. You can cook them, and they keep very well in the refrigerator for also 5 days. So very helpful. There are things that I don't like to prep in advance, like onions, like tomatoes. You don't want to cut the tomato and keep them cut in the refrigerator. They have too much moisture and they don't keep well. Cucumbers, same thing. Avocado, the same thing. They get brown, so they don't look nice. Another good tip is, in order for this to work as a charm, I recommend you to plan a menu for the week. So when you get to the grocery stores, try not to get very excited and grab a lot of things, because you might not use it and you might get discouraged to do your mise en place. So pick 2 or 3 or 4 max veggies for the week and be creative with it. You can use them with grains, lean protein, pasta, fresh pasta even better. If you don't know how to make fresh pasta, you can sign up to our website and learn how to make fresh pasta. And this is really, really helpful when you plan ahead. It's gonna help you a lot in the kitchen. You're gonna have a delicious and nutritious meal on your table in a heartbeat. And this is it, guys, our video for today. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification button and you're gonna get notes when we post something new. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this is helpful for you. Let me know your experience with mise en place. Now you know what mise en place is, right? So, what's for dinner?